हेलो लर्नर्स। स्वागत है आप सभी का आपके अपने यूट्यूब चैनल पर लर्न एंड एजुकेट। वी विल गोइंग टू स्टडी द फ्यू definitions of the Income Tax Act. Income Tax Act 1961 consolidates and amends the law relating to income tax and super tax. In that respect, Section 2, subsection 9A, Assistant Commissioner. Assistant Commissioner is a person who is appointed to be an Assistant Commissioner of Income Tax Act or a Deputy Commissioner of the Income Tax under Section 117, subsection 1. Section 117 is related to appointment of income tax authorities. Under that, the person who is appointed to the post of Assistant Commissioner of Income Tax or to the post of Deputy Commissioner of Income Tax, he is termed as Assistant Commissioner, defined under Section 2, Clause 9A. Section 2, Clause 9B, Assistant Director. असिस्टेंट डायरेक्टर वो पर्सन होता है जिसको आइडेंटिफाई और अपॉइंट किया गया है एज असिस्टेंट डायरेक्टर अंडर सेक्शन 117 सबसेक्शन 1. दैट पर्सन इज कॉल्ड एज असिस्टेंट डायरेक्टर. सेक्शन 2 सब क्लॉज 10 in which average rate of income tax. Average rate of income tax is a tax as a percentage based tax which is calculated by dividing the amount of income tax by such total income. When at a particular rate income tax is charged, income tax is charged on the income, but to a certain extent it is exempt because of exemptions or relief has been provided under section 87A and many other things or exemption limit. And on the remaining tax, the net taxable income on the net taxable income tax is charged, and upon that tax the amount calculated which is further added by higher education cess at the 4 percentage, or if surcharge is applicable, that total amount of tax is divided by the total income, and the rate which we are derived the answer to that equation will be termed as average rate of income tax. Section 2, Clause 11, Block of asset. Block of asset means a group of assets falling within a class of assets comprising of tangible assets, which is building, machinery, plant or furniture. Building, plant and machinery, plant, furniture will be categorized as a tangible assets. B, intangible asset. Subclause B, intangible asset includes know-how, intellectual property rights, patent, copyright, trademark, license, franchise of any brand name. Using allow the amount which is paid, the value of the using that branch, franchisee, brand name, and any other business or commercial rights of a similar nature in respect of which the same percentage of depreciation is prescribed. In case of a intangible assets, amortization of asset is done, but that also rate of depreciation is applicable to that. In case of tangible assets, which we can see, which we can use in the course of furtherance of business, that will be block of assets. Previously, section 2 clause 10 is average rate of income tax. The amount of tax calculated will be divided by the total income, then the deriving equation answer will be average rate of income tax. Section 2 clause 9b, assistant director is a person who has been appointed as an assistant director under section 117 subsection 1. And again clause 9a, assistant commissioner. Assistant commissioner means a person who has been appointed as an assistant commissioner or a deputy commissioner under the provisions of section 117 subsection 1. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.